Okay, now imagine this. You're out there with your friends or maybe your family. It's the perfect time for all of you to get together and click a picture. And it happens, that perfect moment where you all have in one frame. But there's one thing when you look back is actually wrong. That your eyes were closed, or maybe your expressions were not right. Somewhere you were looking in the left or the right, but the moment is gone. And you always think that, hey, could I have taken that picture again? Or is there a way I can just recreate it? Guess what? Now you can go back and fix that. Hi, I'm the PMF guy, and I'm gonna tell you in this video how you can actually fix any of your images which is not right as per your expressions, whether your eyes were closed, whether you were not looking into the camera, whatever it is, it can be fixed. And by the way, this is absolutely free of cost as of now. So without any delay, let's just quickly jump into the video to give you a complete walkthrough of how this can be done. Okay, so this product is called FacePoke, which is on Hugging Face right now, and it's absolutely free. And as you can see that it says you have to choose a portrait photo and then basically click and drag on the image to see how it works. To be very honest, I've tried it out earlier. It really works in a very, very great manner. And that's why I'm doing this video, to help you exactly how it's going to work out. So what we're going to do is that we're going to create a portrait photo. And for that, I've already done the homework. So I've gone on Ideogram and given a prompt where I have created certain images with the prompt that a beautiful woman with brown hair wearing a date night outfit, whatever it is, she's smiling and the eyes are unfortunately closed. So I want to make sure that the images that we're going to give it to FacePoke, the eyes are predominantly closed. So as you can see, this is one of the videos, this is one of the photos, this is another photo, and this is one of the photos out there. So out of curiosity, I'll just pick this one and we'll download this particular image. And I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. And now let's go to FacePoke and choose a portrait image and just select this particular image, and it's right here. So what it does basically at first instance is it automatically also tries to fix it. So as you can see that the expressions changed and the eyes got open automatically. That's actually one of the best features, that it detects and solves the you can say the problems which are there, or maybe the fixes that it requires to be done. But let's just say you're not very happy with this output, you can actually go ahead and tweak it as per your convenience. So I'm gonna actually also enable face markers. So once you enable face markers, what happens is when you will hover over here, you will see this is the face, this is the lips, these are the eyes, these are the eyebrows, and when you select on it and you try to move it, it will move. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking on it and trying to move it. It did actually, and it moved back. However, let me give you a disclaimer that it's still in training, I think, so it's not 100% perfect. It takes a lot of time to process it. If you do multiple clicks, it will just keep rendering. I think that's a usual process, because if you're on Hugging Face and you're trying these are just experiments and you can play around with it. But as you can see that it's fixing what was needed to be done, so it does the job according to me. And guys, this is absolutely free for you, so you don't have to pay anything for it. Let's go back and let's look at the eyes. If you can just click on it. So if you click on the eyes, you can just close it, or even if you have just selected it, you try to move it up and down, you will basically be able to change whatever it is. But the best part, let me just show you how this is going to work, is you're gonna change the smile or the facial expression. So if you click over here, you can see the whole expression is now changed. If you put it back out there and you drag it towards the left and right, you might have a smiling face or something of that sort. However, to be very honest, I'm also experimenting with it, so it's not it might not produce the desired output, but good for you guys if you want to experiment, play around with it and have your own images uploaded over here. I tried with mine, it looks very ugly, so that's why I'm not doing it in the video. But yeah, like if you look at the face now, I can even move the face, and I've tilted the face. So if you right now look at this particular image, and if I go back to Ideogram and I show you this image, you can see a very, very significant difference between this image right now and this image right now. Like, these are two very different facial expressions, and guess what? there are like endless possibilities. I'm gonna remove these face markers and just click on the head and try to just rotate it. Like I said, I've done a click. It happens sometimes a little late, sometimes it responds very quickly, but like I said, it does the job. So if I click on the face and if I again move it, you can see I can take it to any direction. And now, yeah, that's something. It just flipped for a second towards this side. I can even like make it straight is what I'm trying to do, so that it doesn't look on the side. But again, like just experimenting. But yeah, like even if I leave it over here the way it is, yeah, it should be open. Like even if I leave it over here, and if you go back to the image, this photo and this is like pretty awesome according to me, the way it has changed. So I would love to know if you guys want to give it a shot and try it out. But I feel that this is very interesting for any of your images where you feel that the eyes were closed or all these problems that we encounter on a usual basis. Definitely FacePoke could be a very good alternative. I'm assuming in couple of days time or in couple of months time, this would become a full-fledged product and it will be out there. I'm betting on it. Let's see whether that happens or not. But yeah, that's it from today's video. I think these are the 2 cents on FacePoke. Great product. I love it. The way it works. Whatever are the minor fixes that needs to be done, I think it's just need that final polish before it becomes like a full-fledged product. And I'm giving you a fact that this will not be free for sure. This will definitely be a product worth to be charged like $10 or something, depending upon the number of edits you can do or whatever it is. Looks like that's the use case for this product, but a definite consumer SaaS that is very helpful for anybody who's a content creator, or maybe every individual who just clicks pictures and just feels disappointed at one point in time that it was not the perfect one. But yeah, that's it from today. Have a good day. I'll be back again with another video pretty soon. And yes, please do follow me on Instagram, because I'm also doing short form content right now. A similar video of showing how this can be done quickly is also up over there, and it's also there on my shorts. So do give me a follow on my Instagram, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do that, because the more the channel grows, the more it will motivate me to come back here and keep creating content for you all. Have a good day.